Let's talk about
All right, so you've heard the phrase, they've given you a basket to carry water. So our producer, who has absolutely nothing to do, has done that. So we are supposed to, there's water in there, and there's water in there, and we're supposed to use this basket to put the water in there. Why I can't just do that?
Because that's not a basket.
But the idea is to get the water in there, right?
You're the basket. So, Kay, is
How
there
much time we have to do
is this a timed event?
How much time we have to do this? Plus,
3 minutes?
Wait,
Oh
no.
my gosh.
Wait,
No.
no, look how hers is tightly knit. And then mine has all the holes in
It's a hole. It don't matter.
Hold on.
Tell me when. Don't. Oh dear. Oh my. All right. Okay. This is a ridiculous game.
Somebody can fire the producer.
Wait, Nev. Oh, wait.
All right.
Strategy. Oh dear, Nev. The donkey wants water. Hold him, Joe. Oh, that's why she gave us the newspaper? Funnel. If you don't stop this foolishness, you see? Me and you in here too. So maybe this could be a funnel to get the water into the nether part. No? Okay. Oh no, but then let me just keep up with my strategy that I did have before, yeah? Never! Look how you went me up! Thank you. If you don't stop this foolishness, stop it! Is there something over here for you, Nev?
Oh, I just figured it out. Ta-da! I am the winner. I win.
Oh, that's so smart.
Oh, yes. I just work it out. Sim, you are the brightest person in life.
That's the right way. Took us long enough to figure that out, though.
I am
It
brilliant.
still does not. Oh, you're using the right amount.
Ta-da!
Stop it. Start over. Oh, would you look at that? I got it all done. Why you know, say your teeth bad? Anywho, finished products, guys. Is this going to be on the guardsman route? This is going to be like one of the legs
I
of
think
the...
we just gave them another obstacle.
Okay. All right.
Well, they're here, and we're going to go for a break, I suspect, and then when we come back, we're going to be talking about the